everybody, welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie, this is Harry, and today we are going to be doing a kind of a mail haul Monday to make up for Mani Monday. So if you want to know what all's in my mail haul and why we're doing mail haul Monday, just keep watching. Here on Southeast by Midwest, before we get into talking about any kind of products or anything, we disclose, and the disclosure for this video is that some of these things were sent to me for PR consideration, that kind of thing. This crystal pill set, this Ole Henriksen thing was sent for free from Influenster, and then I got a big Pixi box that I'll be talking about later. However, the rest of the things I got with my own. Oh, one is a giveaway win as well. I'm doing mail haul Monday instead of Mani Monday this week because when I'm nervous, I tend to kind of pick up my nails and like kind of, you know, tear the nail. And with all the school registration stuff and not knowing what was going to work and what wasn't going to work out, I kind of peeled off the top of my pointer fingernail, so I have to wait for that to grow back for my nail swatches to look good again. So we have Harry here because I came in to film. This is like Saturday evening. We were about to head to the bedroom and I was bringing some stuff in. The Bavarian was looking interested, so the Bavarian got to be, you know, in the video as well. She's just sitting up looking around. Look at her. Yes, she is a female bearded dragon, and I've showed her on the channel before briefly. Woo. Her name is Harry, off of Harry Potter, because with bearded dragons you don't know until they're a couple months old whether they're a boy or a girl, but you can't keep calling them "Hey you dragon" the entire time. So her name is Harry, so that I can go, "You're a lizard, Harry." Yes, you are. Alright, I'm going to pass her over to Travis, who is sitting right behind the camera, so that I don't bump her with any boxes or products, and we'll jump in. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is this Ole Henriksen product that was sent by Influenster. There was actually an embargo on this, not to talk about it before the 10th. I did receive it before the 10th. They wanted everybody to post on Instagram on the 10th, but I was still trying to get my registration figured out, so I could not do that. It can open from the top, but it's got like a sticker on there, and I don't feel like wasting the time. So this is supposed to be the Glow Cycle Retin-alt Power Serum. It looks like this. It's supposed to be purple. I'm not going to get into all that. This is really just like an unboxing, but they did send some bunny ear like little headband thing, and you will be seeing this in the future. Just saying. The next product, I'll go on ahead and hit the next PR product. And I was sent this unrequested. They just sent it to my P.O. box. It's like the first unrequested PR that I've got. This is the Crystalon Crystal Pill Microdermabrasion Exfoliating Soap and a little microdermabrasion exfoliating cream. They want me to try it and give my thoughts on it, and we shall see if I get around to it. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see me do like a mail haul Monday kind of thoughts, like a review in a couple weeks of my thoughts on some of these products. And like if I review some of the things separately, then I will link to those videos in the description box of that description box. But like these things that may not get into a full video, you could get like a review of those that way. So let me know if that's what you want. Alright, so next I got this Cast a Spell box. This was done by Night Owl Lacquers, and I'm not going to get into this because I want to kind of do an unboxing for this. It's going to be its own video next Monday for Mani Monday, but there is, this is a Harry Potter themed box. It's got Harry Potter themed nail polishes in it. As you can see, it's got all kinds of spells on there, and the little sticker says Owl Mail, and it's got some like little decals and stuff. I'm gonna unbox that next Monday, so if you want to see what else inside of here, come back.
Owl Post.
What did I say?
Owl Mail.
My bad. Travis just told me that says Owl Post, not Owl Mail. Oops. I was talking too fast. I apologize. But I also went on ahead and ordered some other stuff from Night Owl Lacquer. She also, aside from Indie Polishes, does her own wax melts. So I may or may not have gotten a bunch of those, which I plan on doing a post about She also has a Fandom Flakies little box. It's supposed to be 3 nail polishes and 1 Fandom. Night Owl Lacquer and Bee's Knees Lacquer are the 2 main polishes, and then they always have a guest person. So there's that. And then she included her business card in this. I wanted to try her big clamshells. So this is Nightfall. This is her signature one. It is basically supposed to smell like walking through the woods in the evening. I also picked up 2 pumpkin all the things little portion samples because I love pumpkin scented things. The sweet cinnamon pumpkin is like my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works. If you ever want to surprise me with a gift, that's the best way to. Of course, because of that, I also had to pick up Drunken Pumpkin, the portion cup. I got caramel popcorn because Travis and I both love the caramel popcorn, and I can't eat popcorn anymore because of my diverticulitis. So I thought being able to smell it might make me feel better. For the husband, for Travis, I got Mandarin Cranberry because he likes cranberry scented things. And I got Christmas Eve because I love Christmas and the scent of Christmas. I got Lavender Mint to help him kind of relax and calm down. He's having some anxiety issues. He's actually suffering from post-concussion syndrome right now. So I got this to try to help him out. I was going to get this in the bigger size, but I don't think it was in stock. And then she sent a freebie of a gingerbread, which was super nice. I got a BoxyCharm. I'm not going to get into this because I'll be unboxing this and a couple of videos along with reviewing the July one. So if you want to know my thoughts on the July products, including that pesky Crown eyeshadow palette, make sure to come back. And if you want to know what all I got in this one, make sure to come back. Let's talk Walmart beauty. I will unbox this real fast. Walmart sent me a crappy box. They sent everybody a crappy box. I'm about to cancel this even though it is only $5. So inside we got some cheap just paper that's printed to look nice, and I'm telling you this box smells. And then inside you can see there's not really much there. There is a bath bomb from Halu. It is the Unicorn Beach Bath Bomb. And that is super fragrant. I got another Pantene foam conditioner in sheer volume. I got this in an Allure Beauty box as well, along with getting it from Influenster. I got a face mask, a honey nourishing face mask from Lala Fox. And then I got a Kleenex Wet Wipes Gentle Clean. Then the last 2 things are a Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer. It's a day, night, and a mask. And then a Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask. This is the Damage Repairing Treat Papaya Extract Mask. So a lot of foil samples. If you want to know my thoughts on these, just like I said, let me know. And in a couple weeks, I'll save up some more kind of products and do another mail haul and give you my thoughts on like this stuff, or just do like a review of this stuff. So just let me know. So I got a Target box that I had to take the lid off of because the bird pooed on it. Ruining my YouTube life. I swear to God, my animals are. $3 off coupon that's already expired because I did get this several weeks ago. But like I said, the bird pooed on it, so it got stuck to the side, and I haven't been able, and I just kind of forgot about it. So in this, we had a Tresemme Repair and Protect 7 Instant Recovery Hair Mask, I believe. We got a can of Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. Already from these 2 products, I think this one's winning over the Walmart one. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. We got a Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. I have the Acure Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. And really, in all honesty, the second reason I ordered this box, the first one was the body wash, but this Hask Coconut Dry Shampoo, I love Hask. I've posted about them on my blog and or YouTube before, and I love dry shampoos, so those 2 together, couldn't wait to try that out. Some of the Target branded Up and Up Ultra Vibrant Whitening Strips. These will go to Travis, or if he doesn't want them, to my family because I can't use these. My teeth are too sensitive. And then the last thing in here is the Clean and Clear Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Sheet Mask. Instead of being under eyes, it's like it covers the whole top part of your head there. So that was the Target box. Alright, 2 more items. The next one is this that I did from a giveaway win. Woo! I will link her Twitch channel down below. I don't want to name it off wrong, and I can't remember exactly what it is. So I'm going to link her down below, but she was doing a giveaway, and they were giving away like these, a free hoodie. And this one is the Lil Bub Hoodie. And see the little kitty, and it's got like kitty stuff, and it says Lil Bub. This is one of those hoodies where it's like super soft on the inside, like cottony fabric, and then the outside is that kind of like tracksuit, like slippery kind of material. I chose this one. They had other designs and stuff, which I'll link the site down below as well. But I chose this one because Lil Bub is a cat who kind of had like some deformities and stuff. So he kind of became really popular on the internet. So him and his owner sell different products like through their shop and through other shops like this sweatshirt shop, and all of the proceeds go towards helping animals with like deformities and disabilities that are in shelters that might not get the help and may just be put down or something. So this helps to cover like their medical costs and stuff like that. I'm hoping to get some more of the Lil Bub merchandise down the line, but we'll have to see. But I've tried this on, super comfy, love it. If you want to get one for yourself, I'll link it down below so that you can grab one of these up. Like I said, won this in a giveaway, so I get nothing out of it. The last thing is this Pixi Glow PR package that came. This is actually a missing PR package. A lot of people got this around the time that I had my diverticulitis reflare up, and it briefly popped in my USPS tracking, but then went away. So I thought I was like removed from the PR list or something, but then this randomly showed up at the post office the other day, and this is totally going to probably be displayed behind me somewhere, which hopefully you'll be able to see better back there once I get like a bookshelf with like a warmer and stuff on it. But Glow Get Them Gorgeous is what the inside says. And then we have some products in here. Alright, this is the Glowy Gossamer Duo Highlighters. I've seen a lot of people raving about these, and not just PR people. So I can't wait to try these. And then there are some liquid fairy light glimmery shadows. This is the shade Crystalline. There's also Sunray, Rose Gold, Bare Brilliance, and Passion Light. I probably should have picked another color other than the white one. Love the packaging on this. And the two little highlighter sets are Subtle Sunrise and Delicate Dew. It's got just like the little doe foot applicator. And then let's see. Ooh, pretty. Loving all the stuff that I got. Hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. It really does help. Make sure to follow me on the social media link down below. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Make sure to leave me a comment down below telling me what item you kind of were the most interested in. What caught your attention? Say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Rub the beards. Rub the beards.